UMLA Kamairang constituency ubak Metbah Lingdok ula Shah Jied kum Presiden bertemai jong ke United Democratic Party. Yaga kerteng jong ubak Metbah Lingdok la pedang bat penskemru da ke General Council. Bala terwa da ke Nomination Committee. Kane ke samoy terekam kan long nak mentau senam arhajar kat kendai hadu arhajar arpuar. Ubak Metbah un beteng ya kam na Presiden berim ubala klab no Dr. Don Kuparoy. Yaga kam General Secretary on beteng da Dr. Jeminu Motho kadba ubak bindu lanong la Jied kum Chief Advisor. Ubiji moment kum advisor ba polling do way uba pau kerteng ban yakon ya kam president un peteng biang kum working president na lorki way sngau bha wat yele politik ka party loong ba Metbah ha bakran hadin bla Shah Jied kum president ulong balada donjing wan shakmat ban penbet ya kano kono
indai I ba balajit sendrak ya habong ke ha kabong
So Chief Advisor, Shri B.M. Lanong, who is the President now. Advisor, Shri, give him a big round of applause. Thank you, please. Advisor, Shri P.G. Momin, North Garoils. Advisor, R.A. Lengdo from East Castles. And the most important is our President, Shri Metbah Lengdo from West Castles. Congratulations, sir. Next Vice President, Working President is Shri Paul Lengdo from Shillong City. Another Vice President is Titus Wellkind from East Castles. Another Working President is Moonlight Pariat from West End Hills. Another one is Shri Donbok Kandait from Riboy District. Another one is from North Garo Hills, is Sri L.C. Momin, while giving his short speech just now. And the last working president is Sri Lakaman Drambui from West End Hills. Our vice president is Nujorki Sungok from West End Hills, followed with Alantri Dakar, Shillong City, and followed with Utpal Areng from West Garo Hills and Shri Kaur Sampli East End Hills. Our General Secretary is Shri Jeminu Motho from Shillong City. Secretary is Laski Rambai from East End Hills. Dr. Sanki Sangpung from East End Hills. Shri Timwell Dakar from East Khas Hills. Shri Lawrence Nongrum from Riboy, Shri Jijibung from Southwest Khas.
Suabangan sim ya karai ngaladep ban konsol ngam sim ya karai marwai ngala sim ban konsol banyak discuss banyak keren banyak pilih jumbat bat baro prangut KMLA hapo ke UDP bat kumjuru angut KMLA jong ka HSDP kibadon hapo ka setui jong ka RDA ngaladap lu banyak pilih jumot bat ki saungut ki senior leaders jong ka parti ba bendo ba Jemino ba Paul ba Alan ba kiwei lu ki leader kat ki bangala banyak kendo ngala sim ya ka Paul nama ka Paul kalong ka bade Paul kalong ka biang bat lingba kani ngalasim ya karai na kabanta ka babatam bal ngalasim ya karai ban pentikna pangili bendona ka sorka bat na kabanta ka jingroy jong ka parti UDP kani kalong karai pala dia kata tengah mla banyak tu mo apa banyak kuat tu mo tekai karai ka pangisim kalong da ka jingis sutu jumot da ka consultation da ka jing ai jumot dem jong ki dirong ba ki prepare barok ki barang kabanta